I'm here today to talk about Snapchat and Snapcash. Snapchat is a very popular app used to send images, photographs, and videos to other users that are supposed to disappear in just a few seconds. It's incredibly popular among millennials and teens, with almost 50% of high school seniors saying that they use the app almost daily, and 77% of college students. Many have been complaining about the app for years, since its inception really, saying that it's really used to send sex or nude images to one another. We've been aware of that. We've been talking about this app for years, but right now we're even more concerned about it because of the creation of Snapcash. Snapchat has partnered with payment processor Square to provide a way for users to send cash payments between one another using Snapcash. What we see it being used for is to monetize the nude and pornographic images exchanged on the site. A search of some of the other social media networks shows that thousands of people are using Snapcash and Snapchat to make money off of the exchange of nude and pornographic images. I searched Instagram, for example, just last week, searching the hashtag Snapcash. There were 7,755 posts that were almost pornographic, very explicit, urging people to find them on Snapchat and give them Snapcash for even more explicit video and picture. I saw the same thing on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Reddit, and on other social media sites. This is a trend that's growing in popularity. After spending some time on a few different Reddit threads specifically, I saw some discussions of men saying that they found children or teens on Snapchat and sent them some snaps asking them for nude pictures in exchange for small sums of money. And some of these men explained that they were successful in getting kids to send them nude pictures of themselves. So we see this being used also by predators seeking out children for child pornography. Another problem, let me back up. Snapchat is making a lot of money from this feature. And while they say that it's not for the promotion of explicit content, that's primarily what it seems to be being used for. And a lot of their profits is coming from the percentage that they take from Snapcash being sent. Snapchat went from only being worth $3 million in 2014 to an estimated $50 million in 2015. One major change that year was the addition of Snapcash. We have to do something about this. They cannot continue to base their business model on facilitating sexual exploitation, primarily child sexual abuse images. We must call on them to step up, to allow better reporting, and to stop allowing the system to be used for the exchange of explicit, harmful content. Join us, take action at dirtydozenlist.com, or more directly go to endsexualexploitation.org/Snapchat to learn more. Not only can you take action there against them, but you'll also learn tips for teaching digital safety to your children and some more ideas for what you can do in this world now that we're living in, where everything's so fast and high tech. So thank you for your support. Join us.